This is School of Visual Art under World University of Design, and basically we have two different departments, I would say. That is, one is DDI, that is Digital Drawing and Illustrations, and the second one is Creative Painting, in which we offer BVA degree, and in both the subject we also offer a MFA. Apart from that, we have other courses also. I am Professor Rajan Shripad Fulari. I'm a Dean of Visual Arts. I'm basically from Goa, and I did my studies in Goa College of Fine Arts, and then I did my masters from MS University, Baroda. Then I've worked with Lalit Kala Academy and Lucknow University also, and I have exhibited in different places in India and abroad. Now, if you compare this upcoming new school of visual art in comparison with the traditional schools of art which we are existing across pan-India, the concept behind the School of Visual Art is that we are merging the boundaries between the other schools also. That is, under the World University of Design, we have 7 schools. That's School of Design, School of Communication, School of Performing Arts, School of Architecture, School of Design, and School of Visual Art. Along with this, we have a combination of all that business management model for all this. So here, under this umbrella, it allows the students to explore their talents and their creative abilities on a larger platform. In the traditional schools, we are fixed with the mindsets, but the mindsets over here are quite different from the other schools. We, being a new university, it caters to for students to explore their hidden talents, I would say, by crossing the boundaries in the different fields. That is one thing, and the career options when they opt for the visual art has got a tremendous possibilities of getting into the galleries setups where they can do the freelancing also, they can get into the teachings arena also. Plus, there are a lot of the art directions possibilities one can get into. Many of the options are available for the art students, and presently students doesn't bound only with the creative ability of doing paintings, sculptures or the illustrations. It is beyond that. So these are the areas where the students can explore their talents. Thank you.